Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roxanne. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, well, welcome back. Anyway, I've had a very long day. I am ready to wrap it up and call it a day. I have my Topbox. Yeah. And in here is my mystery box. I have no Luxebox though. I don't know where that is. So Topbox mystery. Okay. So we're going to do the mystery box first. So let's see. So for $25, let's see what I got. Okay, so the first thing is, ooh, I already have this nail polish, so I have worn it a few times. Where is it here? Very Wild. Okay, so throw that back in there because I won't be keeping it. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I'm actually going to put this in this bag that I'm giving away. This as well. Okay, so ooh, Glam Glow Skin Active Micellar Water. I might actually keep that because I don't think I have any right now. This is definitely a lot of repeats. Okay, so this is Never Tested on an Animal. This is Floss, my everyday eyeshadow in Maui. Maui. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh, I think I have this one. Okay, so Benefit Conditioning Primer. Ooh. Primer. Oh, okay. Okay, so need one click per brow. There's nothing coming out. Did I just get like an empty one? Ah! Ooh. Okay, so then well, that's neat. Definitely be giving that a try. Okay, so I got Medusa's lipstick in purple. If you're a fetish. Lorac Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Code. Oh, I just paid $25 for all of this. Well, that's not a bad color, but not my color. Okay. Jergens Revitalizing Vitamin E. I will definitely be putting that to good use. Okay, so then I also got the Masquerade peeling. So we have this contest going on, and it's on, oh gosh, I can't remember. I'll link it at the end of this video. Anyway, it's for about $110 worth of samples, so I am going to add all of this to it because I don't really need any of it except for the micellar, the Jergens, and this. So I'm adding the 2 liquid lipsticks and the Glam Glow and the Masquerade. That is really popping. The Masquerade mask is really, really nice. I will say that. Okay, so what I have left over. Yeah. Alright, so I'm actually just going to put that back up there. Okay, guys. My $25, my regular box. Sounds like there's only one item in here. Did they screw me over? Wouldn't be surprised. I got a Premuim box. What? I got this in shade $230. So it does say here to shake it. Reboot your complexion instantly and over time. All day long. Illuminating braiding. 24 hours smooth. And 24-hour firming. 24-hour hydration. Are pros that care about your skin. So this is $230. I think this is roughly about the shades that I have over here. Y25, Y25. Whew. Anyway. I'm gonna try this on and see what it looks like. Okay, guys. So I know I already have foundation on, but that's okay. It's been one of those days. And I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I'm probably gonna go get on my pajamas after this, after I wash my face, and I'm going to sit down and I'm going to completely unwind. It feels like it's a Friday today, but it's not. Ooh, that's actually really nice, and it actually suits me perfectly. That's a pretty good coverage, actually. Okay, so I'm going to give that a wear test tomorrow, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'm going to upload this video today, obviously. You're going to see it. So go ahead and give this video a like and let me know, did you guys ask for the Premuim option or what? And let me know if you got the mystery. And hopefully Topbox will be here tomorrow. If not, I am going to probably just upload my Get Ready With Me from today for tomorrow. And I am going to go and vegetate. I am absolutely exhausted. I've had I had a massage and I'm so tired. I'm going to cry. I'm so tired I am. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. And please, please, please let me know below which Topbox version you got, if you have Topbox. If you don't, by the way, this is valued at $51 or $52. So this is definitely a positive. I think I paid $16 for this. So yay. I'm excited to try this. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and make sure you're subscribed.